Hi all, welcome to this session on securely connecting internal services to WSO2 Bijira with Tailscale. Most enterprises nowadays host their internal services within their private networks. This is to maintain security and other compliance standards. This introduces a challenge when users want to expose their internal services to API proxies deployed in Bijira. There are a few straightforward solutions for this. 1. Expose these services to the public internet, which however introduces security concerns. The second, configure a VPN setup, which introduces design and development complexity. All of these are additional and unnecessary challenges for an organization focusing on API management. So Bijira provides you with a simplified solution. Bijira integrates with Tailscale, which is an open source solution which uses WireGuard protocol and provides peer-to-peer connections that are end-to-end encrypted. Bijira provides you with a simplified UI where you can deploy your own Tailscale proxy in Bijira and configure how you want to forward your API traffic from any API proxy in Bijira to your internal service. So if you look at how this works, you create your own Tailscale proxy component in Bijira and then open a port that will be exposed only within Bijira in that Tailscale proxy component. Then you configure your API proxy endpoint to forward traffic to this port. After that, you have to configure a port endpoint mapping which will tell the Tailscale proxy to forward traffic that are incoming from the API proxy to a given target device and port. Now let us head on to the demonstration to get an in-depth understanding of how to create Tailscale and deploy Tailscale proxies in Bijira and how you can use this to connect your internal services. Let's get started. The first step is to create your API proxy in Bijira. So you go over to your project and in this page, click on Import API Contract. I will provide a URL to import my API definition. So in my API definition, you can see these are the resources that I have. So I click on next and the API metadata for this proxy is already completed in this form. So I will click on create. So now the API proxy is created. So what now I want to do is I want to connect my API proxy in Bijira to an internal backend service that I am running in my local device. So first look at that internal backend service that I have. So I have built a sample node application. So let's start that node backend service. So this backend service runs on my local machine on port 3000. So this backend service has a post/books resource which takes a payload and it will log some details when this resource is invoked. So let's try to invoke this resource from my local machine. So now if you can see over here in my backend, I have the following logs. It logs the referrer header, in this case localhost, and the response which contains the data I have provided in my payload. So now the challenge is how can I connect the API proxy that I just created in Bijira to this internal locally running backend service. For that, Bijira provides an integration with Tailscale. So let's get started with creating a Tailscale proxy in Bijira. For that, you head over to your project. Under admin, you click on settings. Here you can click on the VPN configuration tab. So now you can create your Tailscale proxy here. Click on create, provide a name for your Tailscale proxy, and then you can click on create. So now your Tailscale proxy in Bijira is created. Now what you have to do is you have to generate an auth key from your Tailscale admin dashboard and add that auth key over here. Then you create an endpoint configuration. The endpoint configuration can have a name. So in this case, I will add the name Books API endpoint. What this do is your Books API will call a given port in your Tailscale service that we just deployed. In this case, port 880. and your Tailscale proxy should talk to your internal device Tailscale IP and port. So now I will add my internal device Tailscale IP and the port. So in this case my port was 3000 because my backend is running in the same port. So I will add the endpoint configuration and click on save and deploy. Now the deploy is completed and you can see the Tailscale URL over here with the port that I want to send my traffic from the API proxy to Tailscale proxy in Bijira. So click copy the URL and head over to the API proxy that we just created. Head over to the deploy page. Click on environmental variables and paste that copied endpoint URL over here and click on save and deploy. So now the deployment is successful. Let's head over to the test console and let's try to invoke the post/book resource. I will add some sample data and let's execute this resource. And if you go to my internal service logs, you can see the referrer of this invocation request is Bijira and the response is logged containing the request payload that I just provided in my Bijira test console. So now you just saw how you can connect your API proxies in Bijira to your internal services. That is it for this demonstration. Thank you.